I did clean my room. That was like my big thing. Hey, yo, welcome to the vid. I'm feeling better. I'm up. Still coughing, which is not fun. But I wanted to start the video and tell you, I'm editing a video. I've not posted in like a week, so I'm very far behind. But also, it's like kind of snowing outside. Happy April 13th. There's some snow falling from the sky. Yeah, we're gonna try to edit some videos today. So today, another pretty lazy day. I did eat half of a Chipotle bowl, so that's good. My roommate went to get that for me. Yeah, I'm still not very hungry. Don't really have an appetite. It's only 9. I think I'm gonna go to bed. I really didn't do a whole lot today. Laid around a lot. I did clean my room. That was like my big thing. I got up and I cleaned a little bit, which took a lot out of me. Took a lot of breath. Hi, yes. I read today that I'm able to give you COVID, which is scary. But luckily if you do get it, it's not the end of the world. Because pets usually don't have as big of a reaction to it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed early at 9. So do what's right, and you will see me tomorrow.